Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland TR-08 Rhythm Composer and you need to do a hard reset and restore the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this composer not working right, or if it seems to be not responding, it's making weird sounds and stuff like that, we can very often fix this with a hard reset. The second reason you're going to want to do this, and you'll have to do it either way, is if you just want to, instead of manually undoing all your configurations and settings, if you just want to get like a fresh start, wipe it off and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do is we're going to start with it turned off. And then with it turned off, we're going to come and we're going to find this number 2 button right here, and we're going to press and hold this number 2 button. And while doing that, we're going to go ahead and turn the power on. Now, if you've done this correctly, this tap light, oh, I can't see it over here, this tap light over here should start to blink. And once it starts blinking, then you can either, if you want to cancel out of this reset, you can go ahead and turn it off. But if you want to go ahead and confirm it, you're just going to then hit the tap button. That will confirm it and execute the factory reset. Don't mess with it or try to turn it off while it's doing it, because you can damage it. Just let it complete its process. So you'll know that it's done when all of the buttons on the unit will blink. At that point, you can turn it off, turn it on again, and set it up as a new device.